Now you don't need to hire a dietitian. You can generate your meal plan with this AI tool. Get instant personalized meal plans with the Prospre meal plan generator. So let's start the video. So come to this website prospre.io. Get us started. Here you will have to type your height. So I given my height, weight, age, gender, and activity level. You will have to select. What is your goal? Maintain weight, lose weight, gain weight. So select your diet type, calculate macros, and see 2309 calories, 144 gram protein every day, carbohydrate, fats. Get meal plan. Click on that and see, guys, the meal plan is ready. Day one meal plan. Even they have given breakfast. What do you have to take in the breakfast? What you have to eat in the lunch? They have given all those things. Here, even they have given the details of that recipe. Let me click on that. See the tofu, and they have given instruction how you have to cook it. The dinner, snacks. So they have written all those things. How many calories you have to consume, what you have to consume, the full details of that ingredients, how you can cook it. If we go down, even they have given grocery list, guys. See what you will have to buy it from the grocery. So they have given all the information. So I guess this AI tool will replace the dietitian. So this is the danger for dietitian's job. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.